In this video, we will learn how to use ChatGPT to trigger emotions in your writing. Whether you want to evoke fear, anger, joy, or any other feeling, AI can be a very powerful ally. Let's explore how we can craft emotional moments in our stories. First, let's dive into creating a sense of fear. Fear is a powerful emotion that can captivate readers. I'll start by asking ChatGPT for techniques to build suspense. I'll type, what are some effective ways to create suspense in a horror story? Here are some effective techniques. First is to build an atmosphere. Use descriptive language to create a foreboding setting. Dark, isolated locations can enhance tension. Next is pacing. Control the rhythm of your narrative. Slow down during key moments. Third is unreliable narrator. Introduce characters whose perceptions may not be trustworthy. Then, foreshadowing. Drop subtle hints about future events. And then, isolation, followed by cliffhangers. And many more points. If you are interested, you can read this. By combining these techniques, you can craft a gripping horror story that keeps readers invested and on edge. So these techniques are essential for crafting a gripping horror story. Let's put this into practice. I'll ask ChatGPT to write me a suspenseful scene. I'll type, can you write a scene that builds tension in a haunted house? So that's an effective way to set the mood. It says, as the sun dipped into the horizon, the old manor loomed against the darkening sky. It once grand facade, now a crumbling reminder of a forgotten era. Sarah stood at the creaking gate, a chill creeping up her spine. She could hear the wind whispering through the trees, carrying a sense of unease. So now let's move on to triggering anger. Anger can be used to develop conflict and motivate characters. I'll ask ChatGPT, what are the ways to evoke anger in a character or reader? So it says evoking anger in a character or reader can add depth and tension. First technique is injustice. Next, personal loss, followed by betrayal, moral dilemmas, and many more. So these strategies are powerful. Let's write a scene where a character experiences betrayal. Now, I'll type, write a scene where a character confronts a friend who has betrayed them. So you see, ChatGPT replies, the air was thick with tension as Mia stood in the dim light of the abandoned warehouse, her heart pounding. The echo of footsteps reverberated off the cracked concrete walls as she waited. She could feel anger boiling just beneath the surface, a storm ready to erupt. So this is a very nice scene where a character confronts a friend who has betrayed them. You can read this if you have free time. To recap, we explored how to trigger emotions like fear, anger, joy, etc. in your writing with the help of ChatGPT. From creating suspenseful scenes to crafting moments of betrayal and joy, AI can enhance your storytelling. Start using ChatGPT today to evoke powerful emotions in your stories.